Hello everyone. Apple was started by Steve Jobs and two other people in 1976 in a small garage in the USA. They built their first computer by hand and slowly turned their small idea into a world-famous tech company.
All right, Apple today became the first publicly traded company in the world to be worth more than $3 trillion.
In 2007, Apple launched the iPhone, and in 2010, it introduced the iPad.
And we call it the iPad.
And changed the way people use mobile phones. Even though Apple products are expensive, people still line up at Apple stores and online platforms to buy them as soon as a new one is launched.
Chaos erupted as a massive crowd gathered to buy the iPhone 15 at the Apple Store in Dubai.
So how can you get a job at Apple in one of the top tech companies in the world? And as Apple grows in India, so do the career opportunities. From software engineering, hardware design and supply chain management to retail jobs, customer support, marketing and operations, Apple offers exciting roles across various domains. In this video, I will be talking about the possible jobs you can apply to at Apple, not only engineering but also in its retail store. So watch the video till the end and I hope you get your dream job. Apple offers not just full-time job roles but also part-time opportunities across various locations in India. So this video will give you information about the company Apple, the links to the portal where you can apply, its recruitment process and sample questions and their answers that have been asked previously. वैसे तो Apple hiring process के बारे में ज़्यादा public information नहीं है, but we have tried our best to include as much information as we could in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So you can apply at Apple in 4 ways. First, on-campus recruitment. Apple is known for visiting top engineering colleges like IIT, NITs and BITS Pilani during the placement season and hire graduates for technical and engineering roles. Second, employee referrals. Apple uses the system of employee referrals to find new talent for fresher roles. The existing employees of the company recommend deserving candidates for job openings. You can connect with Apple employees and request them to refer you for a job. Third, you can also register yourself on job portals like Internshala to apply for entry-level jobs at Apple and more. And fourth, अगर आप Apple jobs के लिए off-campus apply कर रहे हैं, so there are 2 departments you can apply for, corporate and Apple retail. Corporate includes roles like tech and engineering, design, marketing, operations, supply chain and more. Apple retail includes sales and support roles. In this division, you can work at Apple stores as an Apple genius who solves customer queries. The good thing about Apple retail roles is that you can find both full-time and part-time jobs and you can also get employee discounts on Apple products. As per the news, India is becoming the fastest growing hub for Apple manufacturing. तो अगर आपको manufacturing related roles में भी interest है, then Apple में आप apply जरूर करो. You can apply for corporate and retail jobs at Apple through their official career page. It is super simple. Just head over to their website where you will find all the relevant job roles for freshers. First, make sure to select India as your location so you can see the available opportunities. Once you find the job you want to apply for, the next step is to create an account by entering your details. Then upload your resume and apply for a job after reading the job description thoroughly. अब आप चाहे किसी भी तरीके से अप्लाई करें Apple की जॉब्स के लिए, the recruitment process will be same. Since the process at Apple isn't very transparent, it is hard to know the exact interview questions and pattern. However, the team at Internshala has put in a great effort to bring you the most accurate information possible. So Apple has a very thorough recruitment process that consists of 7 rounds. First, initial call with the recruiter. After screening your online application and resume, the recruitment team from Apple will get in touch with you to set up a phone interview. The interview will last for 15 to 30 minutes where you will be asked questions based on your education background, how your skills align with the role, your qualification and previous internship experience, why you want to work with Apple, your location preferences and more, like DBMS, operating system, OOPS, data structure and algorithm and system design. On the other hand, if you have applied for a customer service role at Apple, जिसमें आपको direct customer या client से interact करना होगा, like retail or customer support, then Apple might ask you to take a SJT, that is situational judgment test. इसमें आपको hypothetical workplace scenario दिए जाएंगे and you will have to answer MCQ questions based on that. It will test your emotional intelligence, cultural fitness, ethical and professional conduct, your attention to detail, and your interpersonal skills. If you clear the assessment round, then you will be invited for interview rounds at Apple. The number of interviews will vary depending on the role and the need. In some cases, there can be 3 to 4 interviews, and in some cases, they can go up to 8 to 9 interview rounds. The initial interviews are usually telephonic or video interviews. The interviewer will focus on your technical skills, your problem-solving skills, and your cultural fitness. So if you're a fresher, your first interview will mostly focus on questions related to your college projects to assess your skills in the 3 areas I mentioned earlier. I will also tell you some common project related questions जो Apple interviews में पूछे जाते हैं. आप स्क्रीन पॉज करके इन्हें रीड कर सकते हैं. You can also take a screenshot of these questions for your future reference. I will also giving you sample answer to give you an idea how you can frame your own answers. But please do not memorize them as your answers should be based on your projects. So now, as you move on to next interview rounds, the questions will get more technical and domain specific. The technical interviews for software engineering job positions usually revolve around programming languages, data structure and algorithms, system designs, and database management systems. Now let's take a look at some of the common questions asked in each section. I will start with technical questions for SDE roles. As Apple is a product-based company, so system design is an integral part of it. Design related questions में ये समझना important है कि there is no right answer for these. You have to ask a lot of clarifying questions to the interviewer before you start designing your answers and walk the interview through your thought process. So now let's look at some behavioral questions asked in Apple interview. You can pause the screen and click a screenshot for your reference. So these were some of the common questions asked during Apple interviews. कुछ स्पेसिफिक रोल्स के लिए एप्पल की हायरिंग टीम आपको उनके असेसमेंट सेंटर पर विजिट करने के लिए भी बोल सकती है, जहां पर आपको ग्रुप डिस्कशन, रिटन टास्क, रोल प्लेस जैसे एक्सरसाइजेस में भी पार्टिसिपेट करना होगा. एंड व्हेन यू क्लियर ऑल दीज राउंड, देन देयर विल बी अ फाइनल इंटरव्यू. It usually takes place with senior leadership or potential team members who make the final assessment of your suitability. This round is more of a conversation where hiring managers discuss topics like leadership, projects, the team, Apple culture, and your career growth. And during the interview, you can also ask about your compensation and various other aspects to get a clear understanding of the company and your team. And after the final interview, you will receive an offer letter that will have details about your role, compensation, and any other important information. When you accept the offer letter, your onboarding process will start. So at the end, we have some hiring tips shared by hiring manager at Apple. So you can take a look at those tips and prepare well and get a job at Apple. And with this, I come to the end of the video. We are trying to cover all the FAANG companies' hiring process. So stay tuned to the channel. Next, we will be uploading the Netflix hiring process and FAANG roadmap as well. Until then, all the best, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.